taught how to generate your numbers.
I just wanted to.
Like 1, 2, 3, not 3, 4, 5. And when they taught you your numbers, did they teach you, make sure the thumb touches the pinky, and then it touches your, maybe sounds familiar? I don't know if anybody taught you exactly that way, but I found that that was how I was trying to read the numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. Which finger is the thumb touching? And I finally realized that's not how deaf people read numbers. They don't care which finger the thumb is touching. They look at the hand configuration. So we're going to train you to see the hand configuration and to ignore the thumb. All right? So let's get started.
Oh my goodness.
6 and 9, right? Half of the problem. 6 and 9, which one is it? All right, let's study what 6s and 9s look like. 6s are round. I know 9s can be round too, but we're not talking about that kind of a 9. 6s are round, okay? See, it's round on the bottom, and it's curvy on top, okay? But try to line up my fingers just straight. They don't hold that position very well. So they're kind of curvy, and they're round on the bottom, okay? They sit on the bottom. 9s are round on the side, but they sit, and then they're straight, right? I've got a straight edge, I've got a round part. All right, so I've got straight fingers and a round part. That's great. Okay. So if the thumb is touching a close finger and it's a small circle, that's a 9. But if it's reaching all the way across the palm, then it's a bigger circle and it's a 6. And now we're going to switch to silent mode for just a moment, and you're momentarily dismissed.
Nine. Oh. Gosh.
That help? All right, you know what's coming next.
No.
Damn, 7s and 8s get me all the time. No, I was born in 78, not 87.
Right.
Okay. What's the difference here? It's all the same thing. Curves and straight lines. 8s are curvy. Right? I've got equal distance between each little curve, and they don't hold up in a straight line very well. Okay? Equal distance. Yes, I drew them to size. Okay? And yes, I drew this to size too. 7s are straight. There's a short part and a long part. See? Here's the short part, and here's the long part. Okay? Never noticed that before, huh? So there's a gap. 7s look like 2s. And guess what? 7 is just 2 plus 5. See? Okay? And so is 8. 8 is... Whoops. Yeah, that's 8. I wasn't looking at my thumb. I was looking at the hand fingers, and that's an 8. Okay. So 8s are 5 plus 3, right? All right. So you just figure out, add 5 to the numbers that you're seeing and ignore the pinky, and you'll be fine. Well, ignore the pinky half the time. Never mind. Let's try this out. And notice where the numbers are.
8 is equal to 6.
Hey.
What?
That was behind your.
Can't see.
You
Can see it.
Higher. 0.
Now we're doing all 4.
Nine.